I am not afraid of death. Let death come now, I die. I don't care. If I die, will you kill me again? You will not kill me again. I die once. Let me tell you one thing. It is always shameful. I say something. Whosoever that did not know his origin will ever remain what? A slave. Whosoever that don't know his origin, where he come from, sorry is the second name. Asari Dokubo mocked Nnamdikanu. Asari Dokubo mocked Samonakpan. Asari Dokubo mocked Pitobi. And I remember when he said he regretted that he's from Igbo, that his father come from Igbo. He was doing all these things because he was selfish, searching for slot from the coming government, if they can give him. Now they have turned back against him. That is their way. Now he realizes that now he accepted his vomit. What a shame. One time, that was some like 2-3 months ago, he admitted that truly, yes, he's an Igbo man. He have accepted it now. Are you getting it? Recently now, is complaining about Tinubu. How Tinubu is handing both that everything to Wike, handling everything about the oil things to Wike. Why? That is to tell you he was looking for a slot, something from the government. But listen to me, it is very, very shameful. Very, very big shameful thing that because you want what you want to gain from man, you use it to deny your origin. What a shame. To deny your foundation. What a shame. Something that you will collect and eat today and you still die tomorrow and leave it. Something that you cannot live with forever. Listen to me. Being an Igbo man will still remain forever. Why can't you respect your origin by respecting your father? When you respect your father's land, you are respecting your father. And when you respect your father, you are giving an honor to yourself. That is a sign of recognition where you come from. Listen to me, you may say, what is this man talking about? I know what I am saying. And the last time I spoke to you and I told you people that any Igbo man that don't know road to his father's house is a bastard. He's an idiot. He's a fool. Are you hearing me? If you don't know the way to your father's house, ask. Ask people around. Ask that they will show you road. That they will show you road. I remember when I was traveling, I traveled this year in the month of February. I met one Ogoja boy on the road inside Keke. The boy don't know the route. I say, at your age, and this young boy is almost 30 years. I say, what happened, my brother? And now his father is late. He has to travel for the burial. It's a must travel. So he don't know road. I carried him. You are my brother. Irrespective of your language. Calabar? You say Calabar? Which side of Calabar? You say Ogoja. I say, wow, we have a common boundary. Ebonyi State have a common boundary with Ogoja. If you follow Igbo, you can even use bicycle to enter. And I carried him, I say, come, let's go. I will show you the way because you are my brother. So ask, those that know road will show you road to your father's house. Go and drink that water. Go and eat that food. Go and see them there. Let them know that you are one of them. And what I'm fighting for, like I said, I am not afraid of death. Let death come now, I die. I don't care. If I die, will you kill me again? You will not kill me again. I die once. Are you getting it? But I love one thing. A good name is better than riches. And that is the problem, especially we Africans have. Oyibo value name more than money. They value name more than wealth. And they know that by the time they make name, wealth and riches will follow the name. But we value bad name and we recognize wealth. That's why once you go, everything vanish. Are you hearing me? So Asari Dokubo should learn this. And it will be better for him if he start now to join the fight of freedom. Now I want to ask you a question. Okay, let me not put it as a question, let me come fully. What happened in Delta? They killed general, they killed some soldiers. Then Nigerian government did what? They deployed. They did what? They deployed soldiers massively with armor tank. Like when they deploy, we already deployed. It's say Operation Python dance. To go and dance where? The people you claim to be their leader. That is to tell you that these people are not part of us. See what during Tinubu regime, see what happened. How many times, look at every day in Borno State. Every day, but how many times Nigerian government have declared war against Fulanis? I'm asking a question. But these people are killing, raping, taking people's property by force. What does Nigerian government do? Nothing. Because they believe that it is their own. It belongs to them. Then if anything happens in the east, they will deploy soldiers. Asari Dokubo should reason this. He should think deep. How many times they have deployed soldiers in Kaduna? They say Shekau. Every day Shekau is resurrecting. We have killed Shekau. And another Shekau, no, they die. They laugh. And they love them now. And they love them because them be mumu. Who they want fool? We have matured, we have grown to the level whereby you cannot fool somebody like me. So Asari Dokubo should hear this, should have this. Baba is not one of them and he can never be. He is not recognized. He should stop fronting himself and pushing himself. You cannot force anybody to love you. Baba, love yourself. Love, where you can get love is from your home. If you cannot win people in your side to be by your side, outsider can never be by your side. There is an adage my people used to say. They say, "Also chuanwata ya barana wono."
What does that mean?
Meaning that when something pursuing a child, the next place the child will face is father's house. Mommy, mommy, daddy, daddy, mommy, mommy. They will be shouting, running back home. But when they start pursuing you from your father's house, where do you think you run to? You don't have destination. So Asari Dokubo should hear this and should take correction. I know nobody above mistake. I know he might have made the mistakes, but we cannot throw him away.
Well, the same Asari Dokubo last week called Igbo man that they have fraud DNA. Fraudulent DNA in their blood. It's the last week. Asari Dokubo.
I swear.
Who? Asari Dokubo. See, you know chameleon. You know chameleon always find one way or the other to play if he can catch up something. Are you getting it? But I still stand on my word. He should have a rethink. He should have a... With what happened, this soldier that he should think, why should these people deploy soldiers like this to my land? Why haven't they deployed soldiers, declare war, or even call herdsmen terrorists? But why are they attacking east? Now the thing have reached Delta. Are you getting it? My brother, Asari Dokubo is still our brother. We cannot throw away our son. Our blood, they stay outside. Our blood, they do it in, they stay outside. He go every one day, finally, I know he will definitely come and apologize. And I'm waiting for that day. And that is the day I will tell him the last word, which he need to know. Every Igbo man, whatever it will take you to vote, even me that is standing here, go to my prick, I will use it and vote. Nothing like home. You cannot use foreign land to compare your papa house. In my father's house, you cannot come and challenge me anyhow. If you challenge me anyhow, I will come out cutlass, and I cut you, nothing will happen. What you define for my papa compound. So let us remember our home. It is time to go home. We are due. God bless you. My name is Evangelist Benjamin Johnson Ezesinachi. I am from Biafra. I am from East Igbo, part of Nigeria that are not recognized. That today we are fighting for our own freedom. Like if you watch online the last time I spoke with you people, I made mention of some certain things about these Biafran people. And I give God the glory that today, a day like today has come, has finally what? Come. And I am happy for what is happening in Lagos State, in Yoruba land. The way the Yorubas are treating the Biafrans, the Biafran billionaires that never for one day believed in the faith of Nnamdikanu. But glory be to God that today the vote has started. And I want to use this opportunity to ask every Eastern man, if you like from Ikwere, if you like from Calabar, if you like from Akwa Ibom, if you like, say you'll be Delta. And I thank God that today Asari Dokubo have learned his lesson. We told him, but he refused. But now he has gotten to his memory. Every citizen of that country called Biafra land that come from that direction should hear this message. It is time to fight for your freedom. And that opportunity has come to you. And that is what they have given to you now, to make your choice. And if you fail now, I want you to register this at the back of your mind, that in the next generation of yours will suffer more than you have suffered. So this is the time to fight for the freedom, not just for yourself, but for the future of your generations to come. Are you hearing me? So every indigene of Biafra, if it is possible, let your legs, your two hands, your eyes, your nose, your head, your ear, every part of your body should go for this vote. Use them and vote. Because this is lifetime. Once, I remember, there's one particular thing I love doing. I love remembering. And I love using it. When God sent Moses to the people of Israel in the land of Egypt, a slave land, just as the Eastern and the Igbo'S are slavery in Nigeria. I remember what Mr. President said in one of his campaigns, either in Ekiti thereabout, but I know vividly well, it was in Yoruba land. He said that Yorubas are not slaves. What does that mean? Do you read the meaning of that statement? Ever since that day, I have another mindset that truly, yes, these people, this is the class that they place every average Igbo man. They are seeing every Igbo man as a slave in Nigeria, not a citizen. Now, listen to this. When God sent Moses to the land of Egypt to go and tell his people, many could not believe. But later, many began to believe. Even Pharaoh, to the point that Pharaoh's sister has to journey, finally has to follow Moses, the Israelites, and leave Egypt on their way going. When the time comes, conviction. God have used Nnamdikanu to open our eyes. Now, glory be to God. Was it not last month, or let me use this word, few days ago, that I heard that Igbo man, he heard from Anambra, the billionaire Igbo man in Lagos State, his property was demolished here. By fire, by force, he was forced to go down to Anambra to go and build massive things. But when he was told, he couldn't believe it. But now it is clear. So let every average billionaire, whether billionaire, Tyronia, Milonia, Tanzania, even hundreds. Let them remember there is a place called home. And there is nothing like home. And nothing like freedom, my dear. You cannot use freedom, play. You cannot use your homeland to compare another person's land. Baba, you are a stranger, and a stranger you remain in a foreign country. Until you realize this, go back home. That is where your two legs will balance very well. There is an adage I want to use now. Fowl say the reason why that whenever he go to a strange place, he will first of all stand with one leg. Did you know why? He has not mastered that place. That's why he's using one leg. Every Igbo man in Nigeria is standing, should know that you are standing with one leg. So go and vote so that you can stand with your two legs. This is my father's land. You balance and stand for your right so that you can be able to fight for your right. I remember when I was doing business, whenever the local people come, the money that they will give me, that will ask me to pay, is not the same that what the Yoruba man will pay. And if I go to the office of Igbo'S, imagine this. All those things ring us in my memory. As I'm sleeping and waking up with it. The thing is spending me, is annoying me. And we say that we are one Nigeria. What makes us one Nigeria? And somebody, a president in campaign, said they are not, these ones are not slaves. Who is a slave then? Then my brother won an election. Look at what is trending now. Atiku saying that he wants to collaborate with Obi. They want to join force together. Even Atiku saying that he don't want to run again. If they should zone it to the east, are you getting it? If they should zone it to the east, then he will support them. He will not run for president. Are you getting it? Then the same man, Obi, won an election because he came from the east. The people they see as a slave. How can the slave come to our land and rule us? Do you know the angry part of it? Do you know why they are demolishing so many Igbo properties today? Look at Alaba, look at other things. Jagaba in Lagos State. Lagos State Jagaba lost the election. He lost what? Hugely. Large. In a place where he's claiming to be Jagaba. Then who is now Jagaba? No, who is Jagaba? I believe that if you say you are a Jagaba, you should be the one to control your territory. But when you lose in your territory, that means the people, you are no longer valid. You are not relevant again in that place. So on this note, let them go and vote. Cast your vote. And I believe that the world are watching. And I believe that the world will not use this voting. I know that the world will not use this voting play game like a Nigerian system of government. When somebody will win election, was it not Yahaya Bello? Because EFCC went after him. He remembered that Obi won election and he joined hand to league election. He said it. True or false? So I believe that this one we are doing now will not be like a Nigerian way system of government and election. Every Igbo man, whatever it will take you to vote, even me that is standing here, go to my prick, I will use it and vote. Nothing like home. You cannot use foreign land to compare your papa house. In my father's house, you cannot come and challenge me anyhow. If you challenge me anyhow, I will come out cutlass, and I cut you, nothing will happen. What you define for my papa compound. So let us remember our home. It is time to go home. We are due.